In search of a sleek, multilingual website tailored to all devices, your quest ends here. www.websitedesign.bayern, led by Leonardo Milchko, offers top-tier custom website creation services to suit your needs. With multilingual capabilities, you can reach a global market. Our responsive design ensures an exceptional experience on all devices, be it a mobile phone, a tablet, a laptop, or a desktop. Take the first step towards transforming your online presence by visiting us today at www.websitedesign.bayern or drop us an email at info@websitedesign.bayern. Our team of experts pays attention to every detail, from the server to the design. We cover it all. Your website is our passion. Boost your visibility and reach new heights with website design Leonardo Milchko. We eagerly await your inquiry. Hashtags: web design, multilingual website, responsive design, website design, Leonardo Milchko, web design.